Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start with the lecture number 29. I have already illustrated 28 lectures in this series, and I hope you have watched those videos. I hope you are a subscriber of Fame World Educational Hub, and if not, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe Fame World Educational Hub and don't forget to press the notification bell. After pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notification of my latest uploads. If you are a computer lover, then you are at the right place. This channel consists of multiple videos and courses on computer science and information technology. So don't forget to check out the playlist section. Let's start with the lecture number 29. This is the code of the previous lecture. I hope you have watched this video so it will be much easier for you to understand the current lecture which I am going to start. This was the output of the previous video. So let's start. I am just creating a new file and I am saving it with the lecture number 25 with the name lecture 29.html, and I am just copying the previous code because I am going to make some amendments in this. I have pasted the previous code in this particular file. Here I am going to tell how to align table. So there are multiple options when we want to align, like we can use center tag for aligning to center, as we have studied it in the previous lectures. We also know that align is an attribute of many HTML tags which help us to align the content left, right or center. So now here we are going to study how to align the content or the table itself in the table of HTMLs. So I have just given the alignment center. Now I'm going to refresh the page, or I'm just going to restart the web page. Lecture number 29. So now here you can see that the table which was appearing on left side by default is now center aligned. So I hope you are getting the idea that align is also an attribute of table tag. So we are just going to the attributes of table. We have studied border, cell spacing, cell padding in some previous lectures. Now here I am telling align. So there are three values of align tag. Align attribute. And the first one, as you know, left is the default alignment. If we do not prescribe left as the alignment here, so then also it will appear in left only, as we know it is the default value. Further, the next is center, as we just saw, and another is right. Right is also the attribute value of align. So you can see we can just move our table left, right or center easily with the help of align tag. So we just studied that the table tag has an attribute align, and align have three values: left, right and center. Left, right or center, we can use anyone, and by default the value of align for the tables is left. I hope you are getting the point, you are understanding this. I hope you have understood this lecture. If you are having any problem or query, then you can just drop your query or the suggestion for my channel, for the latest uploads, for the topics you want. You can just drop it into the comment box for me to work on it. If you like the video, just hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it. Share the videos with your friends for them also to understand it well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe Fame World Educational Hub.